ahead and take your chalk off. Go back over to your dolly. Wheel that to wherever you're going to want to wheel it to. And then when you're done, there you go. For easy storage, this is only about 50 pounds, 45 inches tall, and easy to store. So if you're looking for an easy way to move your bike, load all freedom down. Get yours today.